Welcome to Science with Facts by Fano, where we explore the biggest mysteries of science and the universe. Today's question is something everyone has dreamed about. Can we ever time travel? Time travel, the idea of moving backward or forward in time, has fascinated humans for centuries. We see it in movies, read it in books, and imagine it in our dreams. But could it ever become a reality? Well, according to one of the greatest minds in history, Albert Einstein, it's not entirely out of the question. Einstein's theory of relativity tells us that time isn't a constant, fixed thing. Instead, it's flexible. It can actually stretch and bend depending on two key factors: speed and gravity. This phenomenon is called time dilation. Imagine you're in a spaceship traveling at nearly the speed of light. For you, time would slow down dramatically. While only a few years might pass for you on your journey, decades or even centuries could pass back on Earth. So, when you return, you would have effectively traveled into the future. This isn't just science fiction. It's a proven scientific fact, observed in GPS satellites which have to adjust for this very effect to stay accurate. So, traveling to the future is theoretically possible if we can figure out how to build a spaceship that fast. But what about traveling to the past? That's where things get much more complicated and mind-bending. Going backward in time is the real holy grail of time travel, and it presents a whole host of paradoxes. The most famous one is the grandfather paradox. What if you went back in time and accidentally prevented your grandparents from meeting? Would you then cease to exist? If you ceased to exist, you couldn't have gone back in time in the first place. It's a dizzying loop that has stumped scientists and philosophers for years. Some theories propose solutions. One idea is that the universe has a self-correction mechanism, meaning you simply couldn't change the past in a way that creates a paradox. Any action you take would ultimately lead to the present you already know. Another fascinating idea is the multiverse theory. This suggests that if you change the past, you simply create a new, alternate timeline, while your original timeline remains untouched. So how could we even attempt to travel back? One of the most popular theoretical concepts is a wormhole. Think of a wormhole as a tunnel or a shortcut through space-time, connecting two distant points in space and time. If we could find or create a stable, traversable wormhole, we might be able to step through one end and emerge in the past. The problem is, we've never found one, and the amount of energy required to create and sustain one would be astronomical, far beyond anything we can currently produce. For now, time travel to the past remains firmly in the realm of theory. It's a beautiful, tantalizing dream that continues to push the boundaries of science. While we can't book a trip to the Jurassic period just yet, the science behind it forces us to rethink everything we thought we knew about the universe. Who knows? Maybe a future version of you is already watching this video, smiling at our early attempts to understand it all. Now here's a question for you. If you could time travel, would you go to the past to change something, or to the future to see what's coming? Let me know your answer in the comments below. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Science with Facts by Fano for more amazing journeys through science and imagination.